Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in a daily chart. So friends, here you can see that the gold futures are showing a V-shaped recovery when the gold futures tested the highs of $1709 on March 9, 2020. We have seen a sharp sell-off in gold futures which continued till March 16, 2020, where the gold futures tested the lows of $1453, where I find that this is a long-term support where the gold futures bounce back from these levels. So here you can see from here the gold futures showed some bouncing moves and tried to consolidate within the levels of $1464 to $1555, where you can see that the gold futures showed a final bouncing move from the levels of $1465 on March 20th, 2020, and this upward journey in gold futures continued during the month of April, where the gold futures tested the highs of $1788 on April 14, 2020. From these levels, you can see that the gold futures have already breached the tough resistance at the levels of $1706, where the gold futures faced some resistance on March 9, 2020, from where the gold started this downward trend, and this recovery from the levels of $1455 looks to be a V-shaped recovery because the gold futures have already breached this resistance level and confirm this V-shaped recovery, which is likely to continue during the month of May due to growing uncertainty in global equity markets, where I find that a global supply chain disruption may continue to hurt the sentiments of equity bulls. Here I find that this correction in gold futures have been completed when the gold futures closed the week at the levels of $1692. Here I find that during the upcoming week, a gap up opening above the levels of $1701 will result in continuation of this uptrend in gold futures, where the gold futures may find immediate resistance at the levels of $1722, and the next resistance levels will be at the levels of $1732. Here I find that a sustained move of gold futures above the levels of $1732 will result in a sharp bounce back up to the levels of $1786, where I find that the gold futures may test the next target at the levels of $1822 during the month of April, where I find that this V-shaped recovery in gold futures may continue during the month of April and May, where the gold futures may test the highs of September 2011. So friends, here I find that any downward move in gold futures above the levels of $1671 will provide a good opportunity to go long from these levels with a stop loss at the levels of $1657, where I find that the gold futures may take sharp bouncing moves from the levels of $1671, because the gold futures have already found a good base at these levels. Here you can see that after crossing this level on April 6, 2020, gold futures have already consolidated above the levels of $1672. So this has confirmed that this level will provide a good opportunity to gold bugs to go long from these levels for an immediate target at the levels of $1722. Here I find that a sustained move above the levels of $1732 may push the gold futures up to the levels of $1786 before the April ends. Here I find that the gold futures will try to sustain between the levels of $1766 to $1786, and a breakout above the levels of $1786 will result in a sharp bouncing move in gold futures above the levels of $1822. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures during the upcoming week. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.